Hey, you don't copy your Nancy, ah?
Yes, I'm Nancy, but I can speak Hmong.
Oh, yeah? Congratulations, okay? I call you, you the lucky person, like, I'm the type of guy that everyone waiting to get a call from, okay? Are you, single, double, or triple?
No.
Well, you know, like, even you triple, if I come to see you, I buy hamburger for everyone, okay? I love the mother, I love the child too, okay? So you, no boyfriend?
No?
Oh, good news for you, okay? I got your phone from your friend Nana, okay? She gave me, your picture, and I know you the long lost angel I've been looking for, okay? You are like, my love for women is high quality, okay? I treat my woman like brushing my teeth. I blush every day, okay? You ready for a date with me? Hello? Are you ready for a date with me? You there? Are you there? Nancy? Nancy, you still on the phone? Yes, Nancy? Answer me, please. Hello? Nancy? Trời muốn chán chữ rồi. Are you there? Are you still there, Nancy?
Yes, I'm still here.
Okay, so you confirm my date? If you don't confirm, I give you 2 days where you call me to confirm me, okay? A lot of girlfriends waiting for me, but I chose you, okay? Congratulations, right?
Okay.
Give me a call, okay? Confirm to me and my angel. Bye-bye, okay? I kiss you, you don't kiss me, fine, okay? But I made you, you must love me, okay? Bye-bye, okay?
Hey, bye.
Đi nhà cô